Hey guys, so I'm Michael and this is Charity. Wanted to let you guys know that we recently moved. We hired Tidied by Kay to come help us. We needed to declutter, get rid of some stuff we had laying around, get things more manageable, get them packed up, move to the new place, unpacked and arranged here, and everything now has its own home. So Kanika came in to help us with this and get everything set. Has done a fantastic job. So highly recommended.
Highly recommended.
Anything you'd like to add?
And not only does everything have a home, but it looks very beautiful. All the spaces are very well organized. That helps me a lot because I'm just newly married and starting a foundation in a new home. And she's really set us up for success and to be able to build up and maintain the systems that she's put in place. And we're really super excited. Super excited. Yeah. And please hire her. You won't regret it.